Today, I'm going to be giving you a closer look at some of the products that are decorating my front room for Christmas. This is Mayor Product Reviews. Some of these things that I have out, like the candles, are out year-round that I enjoy their light all through the year, and others I pull out specifically for Christmas. Let's start first looking at these creamy neutral stockings. I am not so neutral that I hate colors and can't even have colors out in my room for Christmas time. But after I carefully picked out all the colors when we redid most of the top floor of our house, and we redid these beautiful floors and put in grays and beiges, and I took out our Christmas stockings that year and saw mismatched collections of stockings that were reds and greens and pinks and child stockings that my kids had really outgrown, I decided it was time for a matching set of stockings for us. It's pretty sad, but we do not have a fireplace in our house. So when we did this board and batten wall, we put in a little overhang shelf, and it's the closest thing that we have to a mantle, and it's perfect for hanging our stockings from. These Fessiori stockings were exactly what I was looking for. They do come in a variety of colors, but I loved this 6-pack of ivory, which was perfect for my family of 5 and our dog. They are cable knit, they are good quality, soft, and gorgeous. I wanted to add a special little touch, so I got these little wooden letters for the first letter of each of my family members' names and painted them white and punched little holes in them and put them on the stockings. So it just makes it special and unique for our family. Next, moving on to these candles. These are up on my mantle all year round, but they add just the perfect warmth and glow at Christmas time, and I find myself using them so much more frequently in the winter when it's cold and you want to add a little bit of warmth. I got these on Amazon from Antizer, and they are just perfect. There are 3 more that I keep in my dining room, and it comes with one remote control that I just use for all. So it's got timers on here that you can set for 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours. You can control the brightness of the lights, and you can make them flicker like real candles. You hit the light button on the remote to make it just a solid, steady light, and hit the candle button to bring it back to that flickering. As far as artificial candles go, I find these to be really beautiful and real looking. It's a little bit difficult to see it here in the daylight hours, but when you have those on at night, they are such good quality. I really love them. For batteries, they take 2 AA's, and actually I have had these candles for a couple of years now and have just used them and enjoyed them so much. The next product that I have up on my mantle I actually do not have a link for, and it's because I got these little wood cutout trees from the Dollar Tree. Now, the Dollar Tree is not really the Dollar Tree anymore. It's the $1.25 tree, and they have random things that are $3 and $5. This is a $3 item, but I do really like this nice wood cutout and the colors of it. I just thought it would look perfect up here color-wise, and the size of it just fits perfectly on my mantle as well. Win-win with that product. This little frame is just something that I made that says, "Have yourself a merry little Christmas." And one item on this mantle doesn't seem to belong for Christmas time, and it's this. It is a Lego display of London that I believe we got last Christmas and put together as a family, and my husband just took and put on the mantle. Now, when I decorated for Christmas, I have moved this from the mantle and moved it downstairs into our family room, and he has moved it back. So it's become a little game where we move it back and forth, and I'm just pretty much giving up. So this little London Lego display is staying. And check out this adorable little Christmas gnome. This is from the Winterfint collection at IKEA, and he is just adorable. Next, I have to show you a very classic Christmas item in our home, and that is our train under the tree. This is the Lionel, Pennsylvania Flyer electric train, and we have had this for years. We either got this train before we had children or when our 15-year-old was just a tiny baby. I can't even remember, but we've had it for years, and the kids still love to use it. It can go forward and backward. It makes real little chugging noises and bell sounds, and you can make the conductor talk. It has a light on the front, and it even has a working smokestack. We usually don't put the fluid in there to do the smokestack until Christmas morning. It's just something that we save, and we have the train running as we're opening presents.
Dispatcher here. Please hold for truck. Dispatcher here. You are cleared outbound.
Pretty much all of the other decorations that you can see in my front room are things that I've already done reviews of. From the star on top of the tree to all of the bulbs on here, the brown ones and these white and gold ones, and even the rug tree skirt at the bottom I have reviewed and you can find on my channel. With the exception of this little Winterfint, all of these items I purchased on Amazon, and you can find the links for all of these items in my write-up below. Thank you so much for joining me for this Christmas review at Mayor Product Reviews.